Hi, my name's Anna, and welcome to my version of Mail. Okay, let's log in. Okay, so far we've got nothing in our inbox or our sent box. So let's compose an email. Okay, let's hello. Let's just go with the classic. And let's send that off. So now we're in our sent mailbox, and it's got subject here, and we can click it, and we can view the subject, who it's from, who it's to, when it was, and hello world. We can also reply to it. Let's log out, and let's log in as Ron. And we can see we've got an unread email in our inbox. We click it, we can read it, and now if we go to the inbox, it's grey to show that it's read. We can also reply, and it's auto-populated with who it's meant to be to. It's got re, and we've got a little timestamp here, and we've got the contents of the previous email. And we can send that. We've got the sent email in our mailbox. So now if we log out, we can log back in as Harry. We can now archive this if we want to, and our inbox is empty, and we can go to our archived mail and we can see this. We could also reply if we want to, or we can unarchive it and it's back in our inbox. And now our archive is empty. We can also compose an email to someone new. And now this is in our sent mailbox. And if we log out, we can log in. We can read this. We can reply. And we can also see in our sent mailbox that we sent it to 2 different people. We can log out, and if we log back in, we can see the message from Hermione and both of them. And let's just reply to this. You can see that we've only got one re here, so we haven't added an extra one. And there we go. That was my version of Mail. Thanks for watching.